I think we can all agree that the Friday episode of Itonga left us wanting to watch the next episode, more especially after Pablo shot Makhumalo. So we're all wondering whether Makhumalo was dead or if she was still going to heal, and all of that will be answered on this week's episode of the show. So on this video, I'll bring you guys some of the things that you can expect on Itonga starting from Monday the 12th to Friday the 16th of January 2026. And I'm going to start this video with the Monday episode number 226, and this episode is titled Pablo's Revenge. So on this episode, Sanele turns to an unlikely ally to save Makhumalo's life. A letter promises Lungelo a new future, but will he choose to burn it all? Now on the Tuesday episode, and this is episode number 227, which will air on the 13th of January 2026, and this episode is titled Between Life and Death. Sanele and Zama have a standoff. Lungelo pushes back when Mbali tries to help, and on the Wednesday episode 228, titled Who Knew?, Zama discovers new enemies within the camp, while Mbali does something no one thought she ever would. And Sanele gets some unexpected news, taking us now to the Thursday episode, and this is episode number 229, airing on the 15th of January 2026, and the title of this episode is The Truth Shall Set You Free. Zama finally gets hold of Sibongile and makes her an offer she can't refuse. Amahle returns and interferes with Ayanda and Lungelo's plans. Now, the last episode of the week, which is the Friday episode. So this episode is episode number 230, titled When Money Talks, No One Checks the Grammar. On this episode, Sanele faces the crushing reality of Pablo's power and reach. Lungelo struggles to resist Amahle as Amahle's suspicious eye turns to Ayanda's direction. Zama risks everything to secure Pablo's freedom. So ladies and gentlemen, that and more is what you can expect on your favorite telenovela, Itonga. And these are teasers of the episode from Monday the 12th to Friday the 16th of January 2026. So comment in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you know no TikTok. And all of that being said, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching this video. Let's engage again on the next one.